What's going on, nation? Ukvape here and welcome. You know what? I just realized I do kind of love to do these vlogs, these updates and all this news that sometimes happen. It gives me a chance to interact a little bit more with you guys. I do love the comments from the last video. Do love that. Keep commenting. I do love you guys, and this channel will be not possible without you. Now, before we go into the stuff, yes, I'm vaping on my Troll, still vaping on my Troll. By the time you see this video, the review will be out, and is on my Geekvape IGs. This one is the 21. Which one is this one? Is that the Solo? I think it's the Solo. It's the one that takes all the 3 batteries, 21,700. I do love this mod. This mod is just amazing. So let's go a little bit on to some of the stuff that have been going on the channel. First, we're going to have some giveaways as well today. First is the fact that you probably saw on the title. Yeah, the companies are still a little bit stopped, at least at this point. I have a few contacts for stuff that are coming. They're still, producing those stuff. I think Vaporous is going to come with something. I do have other companies that are brand new stuff, companies that I never worked before, that I think they're going to send a few stuff. But if I have to reach that point that I need to buy stuff, I will. It's just one thing that I want to bring here, because sometimes people do ask, why you review this from this company and not reviewing this from that company. And that I had that issue with Lost Vape, that I didn't like the way they kind of treat me. They went like, you know what, worth it of us to send you a DNA mod to you, even though I was working for them for free. Yeah, I was working with Lost Vape in better products, okay, to find flaws, to find stuff that they could fix, and they done one. Actually, they even changed the name of that product. That was not the product, the first name they sent it to me, but I can't really talk too much about that because I had a disclosure contract with them. But I was working for them for free to fix their products, and they still realized, yeah, this guy is still not worth it for us to send the DNA. So I was a little bit upset with them. Now, the situation that I have now is not a situation. It's just I like to keep you updated, guys. I could keep this in the dark, but I like to keep you updates. With Geekvape is that they're releasing a new mod and a new tank that I even don't know the name. I saw some pictures already. And I did enter in contact with them. Now, keep in mind, it's very hard to contact with the person that I am addressing at Geekvape, because I know she's very busy. Sometimes she reads the messages. It's between WhatsApp, the contact that I have, so I can see the messages. But sometimes she's even not answering back. So I ask her, listen, are you going to send the new mod? I want to know to do the planning and all that good stuff. She was not answering. So, I went ahead and I said, listen, everything you did invest, and Geekvape did really invest in this channel. That's why I'm not upset with them. It's just they really invest in this channel. They always send extra projects so I can give to my Patreons, to subscribers, to do giveaways. So I do appreciate them for that. But I told them, listen, you invest so much in this channel. I think I always done right by you. I think I should at least get an answer. And she told me, yeah, we're only going to send if we need to send it. So a little bit the same answer than Lost Vape. Lost Vape was definitely more rude about it, but they say, well, at this point they're probably not gonna have enough samples to send it to everybody. I perfectly understand that. At least she answered me. I just can't understand. They sent me that briefcase there that I never thought they're gonna send me, because that's a very special thing they do. They send me a lot of products, and I feel not angry, but I feel a little bit sad they're not gonna send me this product right here. It's not a really special product, very expensive. It's just I wish I could review everything for them, especially when they've done so much for this channel. So if you don't see some products from Geekvape, it's not because I'm gonna have a massive issue with them or something like that. It's just I do understand that sometimes companies do have to apply to have those samples. They say they have 1,000 samples, and every single one on the marketing is gonna apply, I don't know, 20, 30, 40, 50 for the reviewers they are assigned for. And sometimes small channels like me will not gonna have the samples. So I don't hate them for that. Just they invest so much in this channel. I mean, they be so kind. Not invest because they don't pay me nothing, but they send me so much stuff for me to bring it to you, to bring good content. I feel a bit sad that I can't bring that piece of content to you because, like I say, this channel is all about my subscribers. It's not about me, it's not about the company, it's about all my subscribers. So if you don't see that product, there's nothing going on between me and Geekvape. I'm a bit sad with them, not angry at them. I still gonna work with them in the future if I have to. It's just, yeah, I was a little bit disappointed that I'm probably not gonna have that product. So that get out of the way, I did promise that I'm gonna do a giveaway for my 2000 milestone subscribers that we reach, and yes, we're gonna keep by that. And another big shout out is to Wotov. Okay, Wotov is also be very, very kind to this channel, and they have amazing products. Do love them. And some of the giveaway I'm gonna do today, probably another one in the future, is gonna be pretty much thanks to them because they do send me extra products. So I do have 2 products that I want to send. I want to put them together just for the reason because obviously you will have to pay the postage, especially if you're outside of the country. It is a little bit it's not expensive, but you know, if I had to pay everything, I mean, I'm doing this already for free. If I had to put out money out of my pocket, it's always hard for me. I want to have to keep that money to maybe buy products to bring you, because I don't have a lot of products at the moment. So I want to put them together so it kind of compensate to you when you're winning the product. And we're gonna have to give away the OFRX Next Mini pod system, and we also gonna have a Profile MX. MX, yeah, is the Mesh X. This thing is amazing. This one is the blue one. Now both of the boxes are open. That was just for pictures purposes. I didn't use them. It's just took the plastic, took them out, take the pictures, put it back in. So don't worry about that. So yeah, what I want to do for this one is, I normally say just comment down below and I will pick a winner. What I want to do is I want to bring a video where is a Q&A. You know, when you have questions that I want to answer you live here on the video, not live, but on the video. So just think of a question that you want me to answer. Listen, it can be about my personal life as long as it's not really personal, but if you want to ask me something, you know, about my life, you can do it. About vaping, just drop a comment that you want to see on the next video. Drop it down there. I will do the randomizer thing, and the comment that you pick obviously will be the winner, and I will be announcing on that video the winner. So we give it about a week or 2, something like that. So just comment down below. And if you're the lucky winner, obviously you will have to pay the postage for it. Obviously I will have to confirm your age and all that good stuff, if you have the age enough in your country or in your state or wherever you are to vape, and obviously I will send them to you. Now this is worldwide, excepting some countries. I mean, Brazil is very hard for me to get you to there, so make sure also you will be able to receive this in your country. You don't want to be paying postage and then be stuck or be sent it back to me, you know. Make sure you could, I mean, if it's in Europe, obviously United Kingdom and all that good stuff, you should be fine, but some other countries might have some of the restrictions that you might get this lost in post, not lost in post, but get stuck in customs or stuff like that, and you're gonna be paying the postage for nothing. So yeah, I do have those 2. I do have more stuff that we probably do another one in the future. We see how this Q&A goes. In terms of other news, I mean, I'm still waiting on Geekvape to they said they're gonna release some new products now in March, so they're kind of restocking after the Chinese New Year. I do have a product that I'm testing for So Small, and like I said, I do have Vaporizer is gonna launch. I think it's gonna send me a product in the end of the month. It is a few things going on. It's gonna start slowly again. I mean, till the companies really start to pump it up. I also wish to have any more companies just approaching me and saying, listen, we want you to review that. That will be great. But yeah, at the moment it's a bit slow, so I might pick up a few things that I want to review, you know, to bring to the channel, to have some content to bring to you guys, because you really deserve it, being so kind to me, all the love, all that good stuff. But yeah, I think that's it for today for the vlog. I think we did cover all the stuff. Like I said, the next one might be a Q&A, okay, but obviously it's got to be a Q&A because you're going to drop your comment down below so we can do that and you could be able to win that stuff. And maybe on the next one I will have more news and more stuff. It will be maybe a longer one. I hope you still like these videos. We're gonna wrap it up. Thanks for everything. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to join my Patreon, that will help me a lot. You're gonna have amazing perks, or join the member on the channel. That also give you a lot of perks and help me out. Other than that, I wish you all the best and I hope to see you next time. Till then, keep vaping.